time. So without wasting time, let me proceed with the configurations. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to create a bridge. We can decide to use a specific port, but I want to use the bridge. Okay, so I'm going to create a VLAN bridge. So this is my VLAN bridge, and assign a port to this VLAN bridge I've created. So I'm using port Ether9 because it's idle. Okay, so I'm done with this part. The next thing to do is to come to interfaces and assign a VLAN ID to this interface. Okay, so I'm using VLAN ID 10 to the VLAN interface I created on the bridge. Okay, so we are done with this part as well. The next thing to do is to create an IP address for this VLAN. This is my VLAN. So I've created my IP address on the VLAN. The next thing is to create a DHCP server for this VLAN we've just created. So let's proceed via DHCP server. Click on the interface, and then you follow the necessary procedure in creating a DHCP server. So we are done with creating our DHCP server. So basically we are done with creating our VLAN in Mikrotik. Now let's confirm and see if what I've done is successful. So I should be receiving an IP address from our VLAN interface. So I've disconnected. Let me connect back and see. I have received an IP address and I can connect to the internet. Okay, so this is the IP address from my VLAN interface. If we go further and do an IP config from here, we'll be able to see my VLAN IP. Okay, so this is my VLAN IP address. Okay, we've come to the end of yet another video. I hope you now know how to actually configure a VLAN in Mikrotik and how to actually assign the various ports to this VLAN interface. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my videos, share my videos, and comment on my videos as well. Thank you for watching again.